legal guy. All information shared on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. If you need legal advice, you should consult a licensed attorney if you can find one with a license. With that being said, y'all see the title of the video. Y'all see the title of it, right? Well, as you know, I wanna thank everybody for that's for joining the YouTube channel. I think if I'm looking at it correctly, last I looked at it was 2.9K. I think I looked at it was 3.5K. So I didn't know I had that many subscribers everywhere on different places like DTube. And thank you, Swindle, for letting me know that I had the video stuff on DTube, because I forgot about that, and that brought in a whole lot of my subscribers. So thank you, subscribers, for rejoining my YouTube channel. I know I kind of retooled a little bit more from my past experiences, but I wanted to make it different from you all, for you all. That's why I try to make a little bit more a commercial, and I'm working on making it the thumbnails for the videos and stuff like that. So I thank y'all for joining me. I'm almost at at 3.5K, over 3,500 people that joined. I had 940 something. So like 2,000. Oh my goodness, I don't even think about that. But I still got to get the views in order for me to monetize the channel, so that way you all can get more critical content. The PMA can make a little change from YouTube. Well, they might get mad and sue them for that $2 million lawsuit. They got to pay me. They might get mad for that. I don't care. But if they block me and ban me, I just raise it up to $10 million or something. But excuse me. Just put that past us on the Swindly thing, so we don't have to really talk about that no more, because he's already done. Plus, his last video that he made, he showed where Google allowed him to go inside there where I gave where people ordered ebooks from me, and I sent the ebooks to them. So everybody that got the ebook was satisfied with the service. So he wastes his time calling that, and then Google let him go inside there, and that thing said, "I messed up." No, Google messed up, sir. I didn't mess up. I would never let you have information on my clients. You got to get it from somebody else. You wouldn't definitely have no way where you can harass my clients, which are all going to be witnesses in this upcoming lawsuit. I think I'm going to amend the lawsuit, by the way. That's what I'm going down to do right now. I'm going to file an amendment to the lawsuit, because he put my name inside his video. He said, Swindle Hood, we put my name in his video, so that's a no-no. So we're not going to do that, okay? All right, so I'm going to go down here and amend my lawsuit into it. You know what I'm saying? Go down and add, you know what I'm saying? Because I can't, this guy cannot do that. You can't be putting my name on no documents. Now, I understand you mad, you pissed off, but you can't put my name on your YouTube channel. Okay, you can't do that. Because now you said it was about my YouTube channel, but now you're targeting me because you put my name on there. So you always been targeting me, and that's all I needed for you to do in the first place, was put my name on the document to show that you're not targeting my YouTube channel, you were targeting me. And I love it, because it's easier to get this money from you. And if you think that, oh, you too broke to pay, no, you're gonna have lien against everything you got. Because remember, at that point, by the time they file a judgment against you, you got to tell the court who you actually are, in order for the judge to force the lien against you and not a YouTube channel. So I know who you are, and I'm gonna file a motion to make sure you pay up. And if you too broke to pay up, then you should watch next time. Watch who you talk to. Watch who you run your mouth to, and who you talk about on YouTube from now on. You can't just go running off and going, "Oh, Sammy Milhouse is a fake paralegal. Oh, he's fake. He's a scammer. He can't work as a paralegal. I've been exposing him for 10 years. I only been on YouTube for 7 years. So, that's the thing. That's the thing I got going on right now. It's the lawsuit. I thank all you all from all the different platforms for joining my YouTube channel again. Jumping on. I'm a U.S. Army veteran, of course, paralegal for Center. I studied at Center for Advanced Legal Studies in Houston, Texas, and Liberty University in Virginia. So I call myself the Texas Paralegal guy only because I live in Texas. Okay, that's it. All right. So therefore, you won't mistake that. I run my business out of Texas. Global Communication Entertainment Group is registered with the state of Texas since 2014. So I do my business outside of Texas. So there's no reason to call myself Virginia paralegal guy. I don't live in Virginia, and I do know Virginia laws. But I know Texas laws more, better, actually better than anything. But I do know Virginia laws too. So why call myself a Virginia paralegal guy when I just call myself a Texas paralegal? I'm in Texas, the biggest, most robust state that is in the union that's not democratically controlled. Okay, so there you go. All right. But anyway, I want you all to to leave a comment at this video or what type of videos you want me to make. Remember, when you go inside and look at the about section so you can see what we actually do. We help you, support you with creating documents and getting the right procedure, but it's up to you to tell me what you need to do. Now, that's the difference between that fine line between practicing law and putting on documents what the member requests. You have to be a private member to join my PMA membership, and I can't give you legal advice. Only thing I can do is help you put the information that you want on the documents based off the research that I gave you or the research that you found yourself. That's what I do here. I help you research your cases, show you relevant cases, and you tell me how you want your document to be filled out if you need my assistance. Okay? So that's it. That's basically how it works. You need my assistance to help you fill out the document. I can't give you legal advice, but I can give you the information that you need to research to see if you want to pursue a potential lawsuit, a potential claim, or a counterclaim, or whatever, an answer to a complex civil case or a criminal case. I can guide you in the direction of research, which is if I research something for you, I'm going to send you the full research into your email, highlighting the specific points and everything you might need. And you can tell me exactly, hey, Mr. Paralegal, I only want you to help me fill out this part, and that's it. And I would help you out. I don't need you to help me do this. Can you tell me how can I enforce visitation on for my child? I can't tell you how to do it, but I can tell you that the laws of the state of Texas says that both parents are share the equal responsibility for the child. Child support and custody is separate. So how do you want to proceed? I want to file something that can help me get custody of my kids. So I see a motion to enforce with contempt for visitation. Is it something I can do? Well, it's something in Texas that's filed widely a lot, but as far as enforcing visitation, but it depends on the jurisdiction and where you're at. And I think that what county you're in, they say, I'm in Harris County. Well, look up Harris County. It's a website. Check this out. Look this up and see what Harris County is. They got documents on there that you can fill out yourself. Now, if you need some help in filling out the document because you think that's appropriate for your case, you let me know. I give you a little research and I'll show you some documents that you can use to fill out in your case. And usually the client or the student will fill them out themselves. So if they give me a power of attorney or something like that, you might see my name on the document if I got a power of attorney or something. But no, only thing we do is help paralegals and the clients. The paralegals help clients and other paralegals that work with us too. We help clients and students learn more about the law and how they can pursue it. So no one will be walking around here not prepared to defend themselves or bring a claim against someone because they don't understand the legal remedies of damn. Oh, this traffic is getting bad. They don't understand the legal remedies that's involved with the court system, and some people get scared to file something in court because they don't know how it's going to go. They don't know if they're going to do the right thing. They don't understand if they're going to have discovery issues. They're going to have service issues. If they're going to have any kind of issues involving them not getting the result they want, because the court can be quite complex in some situations, in some matters. It can be quite comprehensive in the fact that if you don't even understand law at all, it's going to be really, really difficult for you to navigate. So that's what we do here. Navigate with you without giving you legal advice. So does that make sense to you? That is what we're talking about right now. Now, The videos that this guy Swindle made was talking about me telling somebody what to do, telling people what to do. I wasn't talking about in particular. It's an advertisement. So yeah, you can take your mortgage, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this here, file this here, do this. You can file this here. I'm not talking to no one directly, sir. I'm not. That's what you don't understand. I'm not giving legal advice to a certain person. I'm making a video, and if the video is being counted and people look at it as being legit and they want to try it, I can put them together with my third-party team that does exactly what I say in the video. It's not that I'm advocating for it. I'm just advertising for a company that said they can do stuff. A third party said they can do something. If they can do it, then my clients should see a result. If they can't do it, then we'll find out too. All right, so that's what's going on. Welcome everybody to the channel. I thank everybody for rejoining the channel that joined before. They're just coming back. I appreciate y'all for joining. Make sure you look at the video. Make sure you thumbs up the videos. Make sure you like the videos. Make sure you leave a comment if you understand what the video is about, like you've been doing in the past. Go ahead and do that. I want to make this channel a really, really big deal. And if I decide to leave YouTube, I'll let you know. But after this lawsuit, I don't know what's gonna happen with YouTube sooner or later, because I'm pretty sure once they lose this lawsuit, they probably gonna be not more apt to leave me a YouTube channel open. But I don't care. As long as we're successful on this channel right here, I'm okay with it. You know, I just want to be successful in everything I do, and we're gonna be successful in this campaign right here on YouTube. So I'm going back down to the courthouse right now to give the service and to amend my complaint, because this guy put my name on the on his YouTube channel, and I know he's not gonna remove it because he's just hard-headed. He don't think that he can have a judgment against him. But I guess that guy's really, really foolish. If you think some past cases that I let slide and the case got dismissed, or they call it frivolous because I didn't respond to whatever the court was asking me to do, you think that I'm not going to proceed with this case further? Yes, I'm going to proceed with this case further. You put my name in there first. You made a video, and I downloaded all your videos. You made a video saying that this is not about Zimic Millhouse. This is about his YouTube channel. Then you go and proceed and make a video saying channel ain't taken down. Zay McMahon put my name inside there. So this is about me, because I don't know your name. So I made a song dissing you because I don't know your name. So is that personally dissing you, or the person that dissing your YouTube channel? I'm dissing your YouTube channel. You are mentioning my name personally. The only reason why you're doing it because I don't know your name. That's it. But I mean, you can keep playing games. It's all over with in a minute. But in 3 minutes, you're gonna have to come to this court hearing on the phone on October the 7th. I suggest you look it up in the federal court. If you don't know, you look at the U.S. District Court of Southern Texas and make sure you know what your court date is, because on October 7th, October 7th, you need to show up, say what you got to say or what you got to do on the phone, and the court should send you a copy of that. So if you don't have a copy of that, you can request that and I'll send it to you. You can request it and I'll send it to you, okay? But in the meantime, you got to be prepared. You got to be prepared for what's going to happen, bro. Okay? You got to be prepared, because I'm not playing. I do not play. I want you to be prepared for what's going to happen. So I'm going to amend the complaint. And mention that he put my name on his video, my copyrighted name in his video, and he keeps claiming that you can't copyright stuff. You crazy? I'm a songwriter, singer, a rapper, producer. Excuse me. Look up Lord of Hosts Publishing ASCAP. I've been a songwriter and a publisher with ASCAP since 1985. Okay? So there's no way in the world you would think that I would never copyright my name Zaymaker if nobody else has it. And you think that I can't copyright my name with a symbol? You are, oh my goodness, you can trademark a name with a symbol. So you are using my copyrighted information. I suggest you go to your channel and take it out, because as you see, you got my name on there, and people are searching for me and they're coming back and subscribing because they don't trust you. I told you that in the last video, Mr. Swindle hooked me. They don't trust you. It's the only reason why, because you put my name in there, you put my name on there, and they go and research me, and they go look at everything, because you're looking for nothing but, you're looking for everything negative. The people that's coming to me that needing help is looking for everything positive they can find about me. You're looking for everything negative, and that's where you make your mistake at. Once you start trying to look at some of the positive stuff I've contributed to in 57 years of my life, instead of just trying to look for everything negative that you can report to your channel, which is garbage, because my channel, I grew yours in one day. So look it out. I filed a lawsuit against you, make it public, made a video dissing you, and everybody that was scared that you might be right, that I was a fake paralegal, said, "Oh, this guy, this from the Hook Week guy is a fraud," because Mr. Millhouse filed a lawsuit against him. So maybe Mr. Millhouse is right. So they all start back joining again. And now my channel got what, 3.5K? I'm gonna have probably over 5,000 hours of listening, probably over the weekend, probably upcoming weekend. I have those men over there. So we back on track again. This is from the Hook Week, and everybody's joining again. Are all gonna join and comment and like and the videos and all that good stuff. So it's gonna be fun to watch how this lawsuit goes. Even though I'm not gonna address this issue no more because it's a done deal as far as I'm concerned. It's a done deal. I don't have to talk to him. I don't have to communicate with him about nothing. And if he have an attorney they want to get for discovery, they better respond to his lawsuit before they worry about discovery. So they give you 14 days to respond to the lawsuit, 21 days if you need a little bit more time. If you don't respond to the lawsuit, sir, default judgment. And it says it on the summons. Look on that summons that you got served with in your email. It says if you don't respond in a certain amount of time, the government can make a default judgment. Okay? So YouTube got served, and they think it's served again, certified mail and process server. Because I served them by email at first. They finna be served again, so they can be fully aware of what's going on. And hopefully they'll take heed to what I'm telling them, to just go ahead and remove all your channels from YouTube and block you from ever creating another YouTube channel again. And then you go on other platforms, and then people gonna follow you there and come back and report it to me again, and we'll go right back to court again, keep doing the same thing over and over again until your voice is no longer being heard on the internet, Mrs. Swindle Hook Week. I don't want to hear your voice anymore. Okay? I don't want to hear that. "Oh, he's a fake Moor. He's a paralegal. He's not well. I'm so tired. My heart hurting. But anyway, I felt as if you messed up, buddy. You're not tech savvy." Not tech savvy. You can't even punctuate and grammatically put sentences together. You don't know when you don't even know when to punctuate. When run-on sentences don't have multiple ands in them. Okay, I see you try to clean up in the last email you sent me, but you don't have multiple ands in a run-on a sentence, a run-on sentence. That's what you're doing. Run-on sentences. You got to start sentences when you deal with me. You got to start sending with capital letters in the beginning of the sentence. Capital the pronouns if you have to, the nouns and stuff and stuff like that. You got to use good grammatical grammatical. You got to develop a grammatical system of communicating, or everybody gonna look at you as just like I look at you. You just slow. And you think that because you went out here and you talked to people and you said stuff in the past, nobody never whooped you for it. Your parents never whooped you at all. You just keep doing it through your adult life. No, it's not gonna happen here, buddy. It's not gonna happen. And again, I told you I agree with you on your channels about the Moors, because anybody want to go claim they're Moors, they'll claim that they're crook from the past. All Moors are crooks from the past. I don't give a damn who you are. I don't care if I can call you my friend. I think all Moors are crooked. So they did stuff to my ancestors back in the past, and for you to say that you're a Moor, you saying that you contributed to the delinquency of our people, and I don't cut for Moors. So I agree with you on your channel and your content. I just don't agree with the way you came at me, and we're gonna have to resolve that issue, because you can't never ever think that this person right here, this black guy right here, is a soft target. You can't never think that. You can never ever think in your life that I'm a soft target. You can never think that. In your whole entire life, you can't never develop it in your mind that you think somebody that looks like me is a soft target. No, person, I got melanin. You understand that? You don't. You don't understand what melanin is. You don't know what it's like to live in the United States with the type of mentality our people have. You don't know what it's like. You probably have it easy. That's why you can sit back on YouTube all day long, go to work, get up early in the morning, try to find something to talk about, and go inside there. "Oh, guess I'll talk about Texas Paralegal guy, where his channel went." How about check the domain name and see when it expired? How about go to Secure Party store and see when the domain expired? I'm trying to help you out here. I don't have to renew a domain name that expired. That's not hiding nothing. That's not want to pay for a website you can't manage. a lot. You remember you can't manage one. I was managing 5 or 6 at a time, and I got sick and tired of managing 4 or 5, 6 at a time. So I decided not to renew the domain name. So once you check that out, buddy, since you're so smart, once you look into that, if your research was any as good as mine, I could have been found you by now. Actually, I got somebody who know who you are from the DAV in California. Actually know who you are, and we going through your phone company. What was it? OnCar, your phone company that you all call my clients from that screenshotted it and everything. Yeah, we got that number for OnCar, and we're gonna subpoena them. That's why I'm subpoenaing them today for the phone records for your phone number. So if you want to go ahead and change that 720 number, you might want to go at 619-720 number. You might want to go ahead and change that. If you don't, Encore is going to give it that information, whoever phone number that is, who called, because I need to demonstrate to the court system continued harassment, and I'm gonna be able to do that. Continued harassment, to where you went into YouTube to a form and got my client's information and email address and called and phoned them, and that was the ebook list. That's funny how you went inside and did that, and now it is looking like a class action lawsuit now, because these people send me emails saying add them to the lawsuits. What they're telling me, they say, hey, this guy contacted me, what the lawsuit is about, add me to the lawsuit is what they're telling me. So guess what, I'm adding them to the lawsuit. Yes, some of the people use that email address they had, they may use it once. It was only for services through me. So when they got something for you, they knew it was something fraud, because nobody use that email address but me. And remember, I used to give our clients email addresses on my server. I might start doing that again. Start giving our clients email addresses on my server so their email will be associated with me. If you email them, I can see it. That's what I was going to do anyway. But since you did what you did right now and you invaded my company's privacy and the client's privacy, I'm gonna go ahead and do it the way I'm gonna do it with the court system. I'm gonna let the court system determine that you are a nuisance. Unchecked power of yours. That's what it is. It's unchecked power. And unfortunately, this channel is gonna be the one that check your power. We're gonna check it. And maybe $2 million later, you won't do it again. All right. So let's yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's right. I monetized for a long time ago, and I tried to monetize it. Okay, so anybody can ask a question, whatever you want. Ask a question inside the chat, and I can answer for you, no problem. Okay? Remember, we're here to help students and potential clients. I work with a lot of celebrities too. So if you have an issue and you need it resolved, and you need some research, somebody to help you prepare your documents, holler at me. You need somebody to represent you in court, I can refer you to some attorneys. I suggest you look for an attorney who has a license. Okay? That's what I suggest you do. Look for an attorney who has a license to practice law. All right? I'm Zay McMillhouse, Texas Paralegal Guy, a paralegal member of the American Bar Association, 0573-7194. You can visit me at globalcommunicationent.com. Attorneys that need paralegal assistance, you reach me at globalcommunicationent.com. And if you want to join my PMA, my site is almost done at globalcommunicationent.org. That's where the private membership is going to be held at. In the meantime, you can go to the WHOP, WHOP.com/ZTM-enterprises to join. $25 a month to get some legal research sent to you right there inside the WHOP, and we give it to you immediately. Whatever you need information on, you can go there as low as $25 a month and get some research for your own case. And it come from Westlaw, and also co-counsel in Westlaw. So, all right, thank you all for joining me. And welcome everyone back to the YouTube channel, Texas Paralegal. I'm glad you all came back. I appreciate you all for coming in. Y'all coming in droves now, even from the Facebook groups. And we have like 7,200 people in that Facebook group. So if all of them come, we'll be over 10K in no time, right? Woo! So appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for coming back and joining me. I appreciate you. And you know, like I told you before, you don't need no license to practice Yahuwah's law. There's no license needed to practice God's law. Just man's law. You need a license to practice man's law. You still ain't got no license for that. But you don't need no license to practice God's law. All right, peace and love. And above all things, don't put no other God before Yahuwah. No other God before him. All right, be blessed. Bye-bye.